Good morning, sir. Myself K. Sudeep from JNV Krishna, and my code is NF07. And this is my project titled as Natural Farming for Promising Future. In this farming, I am showing total 5 types of farming methods included with natural farming. In this project, I am showing 4 types of different farming methods that can be converted into natural farming methods if modified. My first approach is natural farming method. Natural farming is an approach that minimizes human intervention and relies on nature's process to cultivate the crops. In total, we have 4 pillars in natural farming. They are Jivamruta, Bijamruta, Achandana and Vapasa. Jivamruta is a mixture of uncontaminated soil mixed with jaggery, cow dung, cow urine and pulse flow to increase the fertility. Bijamruta is a method in which we dip the seeds in an extract of tobacco, chili and cow urine to prevent pests. Achandana, that means mulching. Here we mulch the farmland with a layer of dry straw to increase the humus layers. And the last pillar, Vapasa, this means soil aeration or moisture. When we give right amount of Jivamruta and mulching layers, soil aeration for crops can be done efficiently. And my second approach is composite farming. The other name of composite farming is fish culture, in which we grow total 4 types of fishes. In the topmost layer we have carp, in the middle layer we have rohu, and in the deepest layer of the pond we have mrigal. And to save the grass that grows in edges, we grow here grass cups that eat grass and increase themselves. My third approach is hydrogel farming. Hydrogel is a super absorbent polymer which can absorb so much of water and can remain with it. It gives water to the plant with the process of osmosis. They are mostly used in drought areas. And my fourth approach is hydroponics. Hydroponics is a modern way in which we grow plants in a flowing water tube. Here the water is a nutrient mix. It can sometimes be a natural nutrient mix and sometimes it can be an chemical nutrient mix. And my fifth approach is multiple farming. The other name of multiple farming is integrated farming, in which we have 2 layers. In the topmost layer we have goats, in the second layer we have hens, and down below we have a pit. We feed these goats and their excreta will directly fall into the nest of these hens, and these hens eat the excreta of goats and their excreta will directly fall into the pit below, and the fallen excreta will directly change into manure, and this can be used in our farmland. We can get an regular income from this farming method. And I am comparing natural farming with conventional farming and organic farming. Now I am going to read the points of conventional farming. In conventional farming, we use chemical fertilizers, herbicides and pesticides. They rely on external resources for manures and fertilizers. They rely on plowing, tilling and mixing of manure. Conventional farming is expensive due to the cost of external inputs and machinery. They have negative impact on environment, degrade the soil quality and biodiversity. Organic farming. They discourage the use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. They mainly rely on organic manures and fertilizers from external resources. They rely on plowing, tilling and mixing of manure. They use natural methods of pest control like biological control and natural pesticides. They can be expensive due to the cost of organic inputs and external machinery. Natural farming. They prohibit the use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. They mainly rely on locally available and farm-based resources. Examples are Bijamruta. They do not flow. They encourage the decomposition of organic matter on soil surface to increase the humus layers. They use weeds as a dead mulching layer to increase the humus. They can be done almost in zero budget using only locally available material. And here my depiction is that pesticide is a dangerous chemical which is destroying our earth like a dragon. Thank you.